We're going to show everybody Esther's trick. Okay, ready? Should we pour some water? Ready? Esther, look. Oh, she sees the camera. Who is there? Esther, look. Okay, we're going to try a new method. Hold on. Here we go. Where's the trick? Piano. Hold on. Piano. Slowly. Esther, cheers. Cheers. Okay. There we go. Should we do one more? Show Annie and Puppy. Esther, cheers. 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 Okay. Go ahead. Piano. Good girl. Bravo. She can cheers. Cheers. One more. Okay. Esther, cheers. Cheers. Remember? Hey, Esther. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. That's Esther's trick for the day. Bye-bye.